Let the rivers flow again. Mr. P S Nair, the chairman of Hindumatha Mahamandalam publications, says that one more environmental day has just passed. From 1972 onwards, June 5th is being celebrated as World Environmental Day. India has taken initiative for last Environmental Day by raising up the slogan "Defeat Plastic Pollution." UN raised up the slogan to protect world from plastic pollution. Most of the plastic wastes are dumped in the sea, more than in the land, hence this year's Environmental Day focused on removing, controlling and protecting sea and other water reservoirs from plastic pollution.